they go. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. So you guys, you saw the thumbnail, you clicked on the video, you've got a Lexus and you've got this emblem up front that continues to fade out and dull out. Well, I got your fix for it today. And no, it's not one of those polishing videos like they do the headlights, stuff like that. That stuff is temporary. It will not last. You can polish this thing out, perfect. And within a month, it'll be back faded and foggy and just dull. You don't want that. So today, I'm gonna show you how to fix it permanently. We're gonna change it out. I'm gonna gain access in behind here and I'm gonna install a new emblem. So after we pop the hood, you've got to remove this plastic cowl over the radiator. And I think there's 8 little push pins. Just take you a small flathead screwdriver. You can use a door pin puller, but I find this is actually easier. So it's nothing too hard at all. Now you got all kinds of access to the back of the emblem. So I'm gonna hold this one up. You see these screw holes right here and right here. Okay, that's just how the emblem will go. Same as this one. So remember those 2 screw hole positions. All right, I'm gonna set this out of the way. Go down in here and you guys will see. All right, so we're gonna have to take this screw loose. We're gonna leave this one because that mounts the adaptive cruise control. And we're gonna remove this one. So you see those are in line with your emblem. There it is. Just push down on that. You reach from in here and see, you didn't mess with the cruise control sensor at all. It's that simple. Look at that. All right. I'll go ahead and take the protective film off of it. Watch me drop it on the ground. Crazy difference. So before we own the car, I don't know exactly what the previous owner put this through. I mean, I do know those car washes you drive through that do a lot of damage to plastic parts and stuff like that. So, okay, we're gonna put that out of the way. Screw holes up. There it is. Popped in the bottom, so we just got to put the screws in the back. I kind of keep my hand pushed on the emblem right there. Got it on. Now I can carefully. And you don't want to over tighten this because it is plastic and that screw will bust that plastic right out of there. But you can tell by pushing on the face of the emblem if it's loose or if it's tight. You just want it to where it will not move when you touch it with your fingers. There we go with that one. It would help if I had a magnetic screwdriver, which I don't right now. but it's all good. We've got tons of room to work right here behind this grill. My Raptor has zero room. You just about have to take the whole front grill off to do any work behind it. Got the tripod right up here so you guys can see how I'm pushing that in and out right there. Still a little loose. Got one hand on the screwdriver, so you're gonna take your time, go slow, and continue to tighten this. I tell you what, for the time it took me to do this versus those guys that do all the polishing, and even if you were going to do some type of an overlay on it, it still would take longer to do all of that crap than to just replace this. Like I said, links in the description below. You cannot beat it. I mean, look at that. That's terrible. And I have cleaned this, believe me. It's scratched up. It's in terrible condition. Can't beat it. Take two. All right, now we're gonna put our shroud back on right here. So it's that easy. Could not be a more simple mod that really increases the value of the vehicle. I mean, you want it to look top notch regardless. So that faded out, scratched up old Emblem, gone, it's in the trash. You guys, if you like this video, you really need to check this video out. And if you like that video, I got another one for you right here. You really need to check it out too. Head on over to the channel page, check out all my videos. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Later now.